you know that John and I have been drinking and sharing the ketone conversation for 6 years now, and we are super excited to be back in the Wasaga Beach area to share our secrets on how to live better longer with 2 back-to-back events happening next week.
First, you can join us at the Cutting Edge Salon Spa in Wasaga Beach on Monday, March 20th at 6:30 p.m. to learn how to fall in love with fat loss through better mood, focus, energy, and sleep.
And your second option is to join us at F45 in Collingwood on Tuesday, March the 22nd at 6:45 p.m., where you're going to learn the benefits of intermittent fasting and discover the lifestyle to better energy, performance, and recovery.
Either way, if you feel like you're stuck in a rut and looking for something to kickstart your spring routine, then you need to click on the link below and register for free. And come and hang out with us for 45 minutes, either on Monday or Tuesday or...
And guys, we promise that you're going to be leaving with some tidbits, not timbits, on how to build healthy habits, only one step at a time, so that you can figure out what is sustainable for your lifestyle, with ketones, of course, as a tool to get you started.
See you guys soon.
Thanks.